What we have begun, or what we are doing right now, is to prepare ODM for 2027. We are coming together as a people from this region. People from this region form the foundation of passionate supporters of ODM. We are talking to our young membership, our middle-aged membership, both male and female, and our professionals. That's what we'll be doing tomorrow. Regarding the issue of the content and the details of negotiations, that is being worked on. And I want to assure our followers that we have good negotiators. We have the party leader, we have our chair, and other people who are not here today who will negotiate for the best interest of Kenyans. It is not just about individuals and seats, but it's about the ideals of ODMs, issues that affect Kenyans, and I believe that the outcome of that negotiation will be good, or the best deal that Kenyans will have.
Thank you. Thank you.